Hey, welcome back to another Terrafilla video. So I just wanted to show you quickly what I've done since the last update. I have added an opponent that you can fight with, and as something brand new, you can now also see how much damage you're being dealt. I'll be adding a lot of more features. The main reason for making this video was actually to test if sound was a little bit better now that I bought myself a headset for recording purposes. So just a quick update, nothing fancy-pantsy, just a little sound test. So thanks.